Hey, good morning. So yesterday we welcomed a new team member to our team. I interviewed a new developer and I worked on the Singapore drone project as well as on our autonomous boat project. Today we actually got a first sign of life from that autonomous boat. Little Nemo sent a selfie of himself, posted it to Twitter, and that was really exciting to see. I'm spending a couple of hours planning the next phase of that project, which is basically teaching Little Nemo to speak Dev. Also today I'm working with Linnewiel on getting him up to speed on our different projects, and I'll be spending the rest of the day working on the identity contract and cryptography. See you tomorrow.
Hey everyone, so today was my second day here. I started reviewing the website, going over the white paper and trying to absorb as much information as I can. I had a great meeting with Alick. He explained to me about the upcoming business opportunities we have, and I started working on a new section for the website, the technology roadmap page. It's going to explain in detail all of the planned releases and development for the upcoming year, for 2018. So many good things are coming up. Stay tuned. Thanks.
Hi guys, so yesterday in addition to updating our community documents, helping to onboard Linnewiel, our newest team member, and coordinating some of the updates and fixes for our CRM, we also sat, Tal and Alick and Daniel and I sat and finalized the agenda for our meeting with our Swedish visitors early next week. As a result, today I'm going to be focused on going back to my roots, which is in city and transportation planning, and I'll be preparing a presentation about infrastructure and built environment trends as they impact and are impacted by autonomous vehicles. See you next time.
Hey there, DailyDAV, Alick here. So yesterday I didn't post my DailyDAV because today and yesterday I've been doing the exact same thing, which is actually packing up the MOUs, passing it to our collaborators and waiting for their response. That's going really well. Me and Tal organized a little happy hour between the team members. It was really nice, and that's it. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone. Today not sunny day, but I am full of enthusiasm and creative energy. Yesterday I made the interaction new mobile app Inspection Building. Also I'll make a few variants our new logo. Today I'll plan continue work for Inspection Building and make the animation of the first 4 slides. After that, I'll continue make our new logo variants and new brand guide for our amazing project DAV. Have a nice day!
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So yesterday I worked with Tal, our CTO, on our roadmap. So going ahead and updating all those various milestones. Did a good amount of work towards that. Also did some work towards our brand guidelines. Very excited about that and building a new website around those guidelines as well. Today I am down in Silicon Valley. It's very sunny and beautiful out right now. About an hour south of San Francisco. I met with a potential advisor, so we had a really good meeting, all exciting things. Also this morning I worked on a very exciting project which is called the DAV Alliance. So some new things to come in the coming week or two, since you were bringing on some exciting partners and companies in the AV space. So all good things, and as always, very exciting times. Thanks everybody and have a good day.